Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get NameCheap promo codes very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open up your internet browser. So it can be any of your desired browser. I'm gonna open Safari browser because I am on my iPhone. So just open up your internet browser, go to google.com, and here just search for NameCheap promo codes, and here you will get all of these websites. So for example, if I just click on this website, I'll get all of these promo codes. So if I just click on this, I can get this code and use it on NameCheap to get 80% off on domains. There are many other websites as well. There is this official website as well. It says NameCheap promo codes get up to 98% off today. So yeah guys, you can check all of this website and pick the best promo code for you. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.